What's up? Welcome to Beachwood Bells. We're here to sweat and get strong. So let's do it. You're going to need a chair, a long resistance band, a hip circle, a kettlebell, and a pair of dumbbells. The warm-up today is going to be 2 rounds of 5 reps, 4 exercises, squats, alternating reverse lunges, push-ups, and banded bugs. Circuit 1 is going to be 5 rounds. We're going to do 4 exercises, 5 chair pistol squats, 5 per side, a 10-second elbow plank hold on one elbow, and we're going to stay tight 10 seconds per side. 5 goblet cleans, and then another 10-second plank hold per side. This time we're going to do a side plank. Circuit 2 is going to be 3 rounds of 3 exercises. We're going to do a swingaroo, Miller rows, 10 per side, and then we're going to do 10 per side lateral lunges with a contralateral kettlebell hold in the rack position. Contralateral. The last circuit is going to be a bikini body blaster. We're going to work on our shoulders and our butt. We're going to do 2 sets of 15 lateral delt raises with our dumbbells and 2 sets of 50 alternating lateral hip circle walks.
Fully formed, and so you make bad decisions, but I don't think. No, this doesn't look like any of that. It doesn't look like, oh, I got myself into a weird, like, pickle. I mean, this is just from basically what you've presented to me, but it doesn't, it's not like he was stuck somewhere trying to get air. You were supposed to believe he went down into a thing to get shoes he didn't actually need. Right. Yeah. Why would you risk that? Totally.
So I had to turn the music off. At this point, I started listening to music, and YouTube has rules and laws, and I don't want to break them. So this is a pretty quiet video today. With the pistol squats, make sure you don't plop down that last inch or two to your chair. Make sure you keep that heel on the floor, the heel of your working leg. You can see that this seems to be a balance exercise as well. I stick my hands out in front of me to counterbalance. With this plank, I want you to stay as tight as you can. I want you to squeeze your butt and also tuck it. I look like I'm counting to 10 pretty fast. Feel free to count slower. Make sure your elbow is stacked under your shoulder. Really smash your armpits closed here and squeeze your butt. I'm going to show you this from another angle too. You can see that I'm putting the bell down between my heels. It doesn't actually have to touch the floor, but it can. I always start my side plank by bending my knees and then straightening, and it gives my body sort of a bow shape at the top, and it makes it much easier to hold it. And then I'm sticking my top leg in the air just to add a little extra difficulty. The Swingaroo is a kettlebell circuit I made up a few years ago, and it's 5 swings on your right, then 5 on your left, then 4 on your right, 4 on your left, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, followed by 5 two-handed swings, which makes 35 total swings, and it's just a really nice way of doing a whole bunch of volume without feeling like you're going to die or it feeling too tedious because you're so busy counting the reps. And it's fun. I mean, this is how I have fun. When you swing to switch, it's all the way out in front of you. So it's really important that you snap your hips. Here's the 5 two-handed swings at the end. Hiking it really high in the junk. Miller rows have the same exact hinge as the bottom portion of the swing. And I'm letting my arms straighten all the way at the bottom. I even give my lat a little room to stretch at the bottom. And then I'm pulling the bell all the way up to my chest. So my thumb touches my side boob. My non-working forearm is just dug right into my thigh. It gives me a really, really stable base. That was one arm clean. So I'm showing you here the shelf that you're making for your bell. And contralateral just is a fancy way of saying opposite. So if I'm lunging to my right, I'm holding the bell on my left side. These are freaking hard. The harder you step out to the side and the further you step out to the side, the harder it's going to be. My back is flat when I come down. I didn't know these would be as hard as they were because usually we will step all the way 25 steps in one direction. And I thought alternating the steps would make it a lot easier. But I'll tell you, by the time I got to about 20, 30, my butt was really on fire. Working on our middle delts here. I have quite a come at me, bro face. Concentrating on my shoulder muscles here. 15 reps. Trying to keep that time under tension pretty constant, not resting at the bottom. Thank you for working out with me. If you are digging this content, like, subscribe, share with your mother. As always, stay safe, stay strong, stay home.